plane is that?
That is C-135.
That's right. What's behind you?
Siren.
What are we doing?
We're watching the sirens.
What kind of siren is that?
It's the owl siren.
Owl siren. You're so nerdy, man. You have a scorpion in your mouth.
And spit out my gum.
Spit in the grass area. What kind of sound do you think this one's gonna make?
This is probably the sound.
Well, hopefully. We're here in Leon Valley in San Antonio, Texas. And this siren we found, I don't know the exact name of it, but Harper calls it the owl siren because it looks like owl eyes. But I'll track it down and find the proper name. But it's supposed to go off the first Wednesday of every month. So we're here to see it go off. Harper had been on a siren kick and then she got off of it and now she's back on it. She's like a rodeo.
No, I'm not a writer. Okay.
Okay, get ready. It's getting close to last off time. Hopefully. Maybe. Yep. It's starting to rain.
Rain Sun Cafe. It's rain. Rain Sun Cafe. Rain Sun.
The Rain Siren Cafe. Well, hopefully it goes off, baby. It's noon right now. Well, we tried, but don't look like it's gonna work.
Well, we try. It's probably was not gonna work.
Just say thanks for watching anyways.
Thanks for watching. Anyways.
We'll come back next month.
We will come back next month.
And hopefully the owl will be awake.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's 10 minutes past noon and it's supposed to go off at noon. So I don't think it's gonna work today. So we'll try next month because they say it's supposed to be tested every Wednesday, first Wednesday of every month. So we'll try first Wednesday in August. Alrighty, we're coming up to Pinkie.
Yeah.
Where is he?
Where is Pinkie?
Where is Pinkie? Squished on the road, squished on the road. There he is, there he is. There's Pinkie, there's Pinkie. There is Pinkie, there is Pinkie. There he is, there he is. There's little Pinkie, there's little Pinkie. There he is. There's little Pinkie, there's little Pinkie, there he is. Ha ha! Funny, funny.